Hello everyone, welcome to the Movie Guard channel. Can you believe that I reached over 1,000 videos so far on my channel so far? I mean, that's amazing, isn't it? How many videos I've done on here and everything else. And today we're going to be doing 3 more. So we got Sing It Live now, doing a cover of Sledgehammer. So I hope you all enjoy it, and please subscribe to the channel, and let's play this video, shall we, and see what it's like. really nice cover they did there, wasn't it? That was really good, that was. I really liked the lead singer in that. He was a really good voice and everything else, and everybody else as well was good singing it as well. On top of that, and the instruments as well was really nice to listen to as well. That was really nice, that was. Really nice cover, that was. That was very good. I hope you all enjoyed that as well. That was very nice, that was. And now we're going to move on to the next song. I hope that was as good as that one, and let's go on, shall we?